That was close! That lion scared me!
Thank goodness we managed to run away! Let us continue our journey, Yang Yang.
Yay! Let's go! So, all this walking is making me hungry!
Oh dear! Just hold on for a little longer, okay, Yang Yang? Look, Yang Yang, look over there! Is that a bamboo tree?
Yay! Where, Sue? Where?
Is the bamboo tree beside the flowers or between them? Between and beside are prepositions of places. What is between? Between is in or into the space that separates two places, people, or object. What about beside? Beside is at the side of or next to something. Look at the ball. The ball is in the space of two chairs, so the ball is between two chairs. Let's look at the next example. Look at the ball. The ball is next to the chair, so the ball is beside the chair. So, is the bamboo tree beside or between the flowers?
The bamboo tree is beside the flowers. Yummy! Thank you for helping me, Sue.
You are welcome, Yang Liang.
Oh no!
Check out the next episode to see why Liang Liang is shocked.